welcome to H Brothers.
Good morning, my friends and my respected teachers. My name is Hamis. I am studying in 4th standard. My school name is Hillwood School. Today I am going to tell about the Chandrayaan 3 of India. This is the project of Chandrayaan 3 which I made. This is the third engine. These two are the S-200s and this is the satellite dish tower. This is the fact, and there is a picture of the Vikram lander and the Pragyan rover on the moon. Chandrayaan 3 is India's third mission to the moon. It was launched on Friday, 14 July 2023 at 2:35 p.m. by ISRO, Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. Chandrayaan 3 successfully landed on the south pole of the moon at 6:04 p.m. on 23rd August 2023. The touchdown point was named Shiv Shakti. From the lander, Vikram rolled out the rover Pragyan, leaving imprints of the Indian emblem and ISRO on the surface of the moon. Now I am going to launch the Chandrayaan 3. Bye friends. Thank you.